Have you ever made more money and still felt like you were missing something? You get a raise, a bonus, a good month, and within a few weeks, it's all gone again, and you're not even sure where it went. That's not bad luck. That's not a bad month. That's your money mindset working against you. And today, we're going to tell that cycle to stop. Welcome back to Knox Invests. In our last video, we talked about what financial freedom really means. Today, we're going one level deeper, into the invisible thing that decides whether you'll ever get there, your mindset. Because here's the truth. You can learn everything there is to know about budgeting, investing, and saving, and still end up broke if your mindset is working against you. Let's talk about something most finance channels won't tell you. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a mindset problem that shows up as a money problem. You've seen it, maybe even in yourself. Someone gets a bit of extra money and instead of saving it or investing it, they spend it almost immediately, not because they need to, because some part of them feels uncomfortable holding on to it. Psychologists call this a financial thermostat. Just like a thermostat fixes the room temperature within a set range, your brain has a comfort zone for how much money you're allowed to have. Go above it, and you'll unconsciously find a way to bring it back down. An impulse purchase, a treat yourself moment, a sudden urge to upgrade something that was working fine. This isn't weakness, it's wiring. And the good news is, wiring can be changed. Most of our money beliefs were formed before we even turned 10 years old. If you grew up hearing, money doesn't grow on trees, or watching adults argue about bills, or being told that wanting more money is greedy, your brain quietly filed those messages away. And without realizing it, you've been living by rules you never consciously chose. Some common ones: rich people are bad people. I'm just not good with money. We've never had money, so I probably never will. None of these are facts. They're inherited beliefs, and the moment you can name them, they start to lose their grip on you. So how do you actually rewire this? First, notice the pattern. Next time you get extra money and feel the urge to spend it fast, pause. Just notice the feeling. Awareness alone breaks half the automatic reaction. Second, separate identity from numbers. Your bank balance is not a reflection of your worth. A bad month doesn't make you a failure, and a good month doesn't make you better than anyone else. The sooner money stops being tied to your self-worth, the calmer your decisions become. Third, raise your financial thermostat on purpose. Set small, specific savings or investing goals, and when you hit them, don't sabotage them. Let yourself sit with the discomfort of having more. That discomfort fades with repetition. This is slow work, but it's the real foundation everything else is built on. If this video made you think of a money belief you picked up growing up, drop it in the comments. You might be surprised how many other people share the exact same one. In the next video, we're getting practical, starting with the budgeting method that actually works, even if you've failed at budgeting before. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.